sleeves. We about to get into another crazy Looters battle, man.
Hold it down. Hold it down for the
Battle to my right. Battle to my right.
Infamous sound, man. You already know what it is. What's poppin'?
Battle to my right again.
The real right side, Rocky Starks, empty fucking oh. Y'all know me. Y'all don't know me. Y'all know me. Y'all don't know this shit. Let's go. Oh, please, you know this.
Hold it down, let's go. Hold on, chill. Hold on. All right, relax, slow.
Hold it down. It's about to start.
It's for the home.
Yeah.
It's for the home.
Hold it down.
Hold it down. Y'all hold it down. Don't do that.
Let's get this shit going.
Don't do that.
Yo, it's on Infamous Sounds. Hold it down. Respect the MCs.
Yo, close that door.
Hold it down.
Hold it down. What's on?
With the lick read.
Let's go.
You hear me?
Yeah, let's go.
So right now we got Infamous Sound versus Mr. Season 7. You thought you was ready? The school of teacher is not adding up. When I spit, my style is heavy. Divide that plus the fact that I'm fat, it'll be hard to carry. Gym star for the end. She can get physical, critical shots. Looking kind of pinnacle. Fuck that. Show you what the weapon do. With the DE, I see I'm more on point like a decimal. Listen, it's 21 ways you could die in a hearse. One type die in your shirt and leave your eyes in reverse. Me go clip bomb me, tell me you're a bit naughty. You look like you voted for Mitt Romney 12 years ago. It'll leave you a bit snotty. Hammers on my bedding floor. Thinking of a way to put his head up on the metaphors and teleport the skeletal guy covered in leaves. Die, pop fly, and goo come out your eyes for my brothers and me? You're not listening. I'm off the devil. I'm equipped with a Dr. Doom mask and vest dipped in Colosseum metal. Rome wasn't built in a day. Me Sky, Moose Sky, Mickey Mouse glove. When you shoot in the cave, I got kids. That was fire. Mickey Mouse glove when you shoot in the cave. The cops come down. I'm dumping the run. I'll come back in DDP. Diamond cutter your mom. I'm blaming the gun. Don't drink or chase shots, but a shot to chase you and your crew if you planning to rum. That Rigo turn. My ego burning, you'll look up flying like the Rio bird. He under the seat. Yo, he under the seat. Pop eyes, Cajun hot fries. I'm grilling like 5 guys in a beef. That's black. I'll squeeze the K. I split your DNA. Let the clip skip cause your lips, you'll bleed today. And you ain't half as nice. I'll kill you, then kill me, then kill you again when we meet up in the afterlife. I run up in your state properly. If I continue to see you niggas constantly clocking me, technically, there's no armory stopping me. I'm swiping with the sniper. Take your soul, and that's committing armed robbery. Chop you up until your cabbage to a cold slow. Nigga, you a tranny, you a bitch behind closed doors. See, I'm like Hollis Ball. See, I'm like College Ball. If there's 2 bullets left in that douche, you getting hit with the final 4. I show up in your hood dolo with an iron vest. Nell told me how to stand tall with this iron chest. You talking hot, so whatever's in the iron left, get the cooking you and your nigga. See, I'm an iron chef. Don't pass the border, cause when I shoot, you'll be like Luke, what? A Skywalker. This nigga's acting foul. That Houston rocket is so used to blocking. I'm packing y'all. Wait, put the guns down. Talking about that gunplay? I don't even got the shit. I can use this fist. Put it right by your chin like a violin since you promoting violence. Yo, on the real, I can hit you with this loaded Lux and put you back in the lion's den. For that work, I play boards and them guns will get the firing. See, I don't got no cheese for no rats, but I did get some cheese from this trap. It's rap, don't test the dawn. The weapon drawn, the real light to set the con. I drive by. CARs we bust. You better run from these cars like Shia LaBeouf. 1-800, what? 1-800 and God we trust, you call them and see if you could dodge a bus. I said, non-violent, on silent when it ring. My Palm Pilot on silent when it ring. This nigga acting up and disrespecting. But that number he try to reach has been disconnected. I'll chase him down, pick him up, put him in a pickup truck, put the blicker in his mouth, plug. Yeah, he tried to chop me down, but I had to spark him up. Bring around the road and pose, I had to dig him out.
Run it back. Run that back. Niggas are
Don't say it again. Don't say it again. Don't say it again. Don't say it again. Don't say it again.
Be mature. Be mature. Say it again.
Say it again.
Yo, look, I said chase him down, pick him up, put him in the pickup truck, put the blicker in his mouth, blicker, blood, pause. Yeah, he tried to chop me down, but I had to spark him up, ring around the rosy and posy. I had to dig him up, I'll pump blast in this gas mask, fill him up, Hanukkah with the harmonica, how I lit him up. XYZ, your family, zip him up, my torch, just like Oscorp, how I lift him up. A drunken bastard, drunken plaster, sci-fi show, taekwondo, drunken master. When it come down to these bars, sound is a master game plan. Rain Man, rewind them backwards. I'm an Iraq walking bomb. When a Matic drawn, the gat killed this cat with a talking Tom. He move a lot of wet. STDs and Percocets. Testing Regan next to me, a chest to be a silhouette. Wait. Pop, mad, shoot, trunk, flash, gun, say cheese and die like goosebumps. Spark heat, you claiming that you want beef? Spark heat, you claiming that you want beef? Uzi cannons and nails will turn you into lunch meat. That 4-5 shoot in your soup is real chunky. You had a pimp friend, but you lost one like Bun B. Come on, son, y'all. I said, yo, on the real, who got punchlines? Nah, when a Matt Clap will leave you homeless in the nighttime like Blindside. Nigga, I got rhymes. While I Undertaker this figure, that trigger giving this nigga the last ride. Gut you with a pitchfork, touch my crown, the gun buck you down, nigga. I'm from New York. Talking shit on your front porch, but have your mommy say, oh no, Johnny, when I flame torch. If you hot, my 9 is a hydrant. Hit a crib when you hear police sirens. In my neck of the woods, when you see black hoods, beware when the square, that's where the Reds ride in.
Let's go, right?
Ready? How you say your name? Stefan or Stefan? Stefan, let's go.
Hold it down.
Down by Stefan. Is your name Stefan or Stefan?
You don't know which one.
Your name's Stefan tonight. Family matters. All this gas here done brought Stefan out. Well, that's just in your friend's eyes. And you dumb enough to believe them lies. I get everybody in this class stretched. The teacher pulled up to get the gym live. Let's see if you're ready for the half machete pep. The fun size. The fun size. I'll slice Stefan open till y'all see Urkel pulling out his inside.
It's weeding, chill.
Wow on her.
Niggas think they mentally ill, like they had a lobotomy. I'll have harm done to you and your niggas bodily. You thought he's real in this round? Jump through fire circles. Titan, you really into this clown? Well, I guess I'm supposed to get ended this round. We wanted quantity, but with a name like Infamous Sounds, we expecting bad quality. Let's go, Rocky! I'm Rocky! With a name like Infamous Sounds, we expected bad quality. And sleaze lining you rookies like the sky blue.
Facts.
They just finding out you pussy, but I know. Hell, they just finding out you pussy, but I know. Get your eye blue black as I punch you standing there like. And I know that.
Keep rapping. Hold it down.
down to you. Sleeve line to you rookies like the sky blue. They just find out that you pussy, but I knew. Hit your eye blue black as I punch. Stand there like, what y'all know about Funkadelics? What they know about Funkadelics? Walk in fly, hit the smoke room, walk out, sweating better. Different smoke. What y'all know about Funkadelics? Walk in fly, hit the smoke room, walk back out, sweat embedded. No blue bubble, but y'all get the message. Infamous sounds, believe me, no fat people. We gripping pounds, you get this round. Probably like school fights, this is my playground. Random. For myself. I've been suspended before I wore the season 7 pendant. 24 hours in the box, on Facebook lock, for shooting at the president.
Let's go!
My shit. Let's go, rappers. 24 hours, but you know about getting blocked by black. He don't know nothing about it. But I'm off that. Big strap. Y'all niggas, wild whack. Kylie told me to make it loud strap, so I took Infamous Sounds and made a movie. Now it's the soundtrack. That's the soundtrack, you wild trash. And I know y'all expect me to flip sounds like Don't Get Gas, Cypher Sounds. Nigga, you can't smoke in my section. You literally can't hang in my Cypher Sounds. What the fuck you hear? Double XL. We would never hear you in that Cypher Sound.
Who are you right now?
Double XL. We would never hear you in that Cypher Sound. You need to face it. Use a clown. Because we all seen this nigga been dancing on the train.
Facts.
This nigga been dancing on the train. We all seen him dancing on the train. What a shame. I ain't gonna hate on no man's hustle game, but see these DVDs not the rich. And we all seen you dancing on the train. What a shame. I ain't gonna hate on no man's hustle game, but see these DVDs not the reason. That's all right. But you rather pole hop. You rather pole hop. Jumping from chair to chair. Make me miss my stop. Fucking up my day. Make me miss my stop. Fucking up my day.
Hold it down.
Making me almost miss my stop. Fucking up my day. So for that, you get a 31 stitches for a month. That's a metro pay. What? Oh, you gonna get election today because you talking to the big blood. You know the vibe. You talking to the big blood. no love. Stretch these two arms out, a close hug. I eat your food, nigga. I hold no grub. One down, press your luck. Watch my lady ball.
What? Yo, hero.
But ain't it your girl birthday? Fellas, happy birthday. Happy birthday. You know what I got for her? What? I got her this dick cake. 2 more. Hold it down, hold it down.
Nah, bro, you told him what?
Oh, wait.
So you got her what?
I got her a dick cake. Hold on. You know what I got for a big one? I got her a dick cake.
Let him rap.
What you got for Rocky?
I got her this dick cake. 2 ball numbers on the bitch face. Her friend gonna ask her, how the intimate cream taste? She replied, soft, white, milky. It's protein based.
Like you ain't interrupt the battle, nothing.
It's soft, white,
On my
milky.
birthday?
It's protein based. And they clean your acne up. They give you clean face. My team great.
I wouldn't think about it on your birthday.
Just when y'all thought it was over, I climbed a few stairs. I went from Rocky Starks to Rocky Balboa. Cause I be on my infinite stacks. Yeah. Or I get the flames and start bug out with these max. I'll put a hollow through you. If you don't put some pep in your step, your mom's gonna be screaming out, hallelujah. With the liquor. Or I'll get on my Zuda shit. Shoot straight through you. I gotta flip, bro. It's gonna cost you some grams. White shard, tall as the Iceman. Here's the plan. Pay my fucking cash or the doctors when you land. Meaning the whole MTO will jump you if you fucking up the demand.
There's a lot of them niggas.
Look at his face. He looks sick. His career, this battle, in the ditch. Medusa strapped with eye to eye. He gon' freeze and shit. You little bitch. Y'all my little homies. Y'all gon' get used to it.
It's tax season!
Y'all my little homies. Y'all better get used to it. Or I get the rock and do. Knocking your block over. Copy cool. Sign your dominant. Sign your dominant. I get the block and do. Knocking your block over. Copy cool. Hit shoot him in his abdominal. Everybody wanna know what that shot looked like? Yo, Reggie, I told him cold word Damian Lillard. Wow. The shot was phenomenal.